Welcome to Akul Make Live. Apple hits 4 trillion. What next for the tech giant? Apple just made history, smashing through the 4 trillion market valuation milestone. Driven by phenomenal quarter of iPhone sales following the latest model launches, the tech giant's stock prices has soared into unprecedented heights. So let's discuss further. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into monumental achievement that has sent shockwaves through the global economy and tech world. We are talking about Apple, the Cupertino Colossus hitting a unimaginable 4 trillion market valuation. Just let us actually discuss and sink in the moment. And $4,000 billion, it is a figure that truly defies gravity, making Apple the most valuable company the world has ever seen. But this isn't just about numbers. It is about what the milestone represent in innovation, in customer loyalty, and sheer power of brand building on a groundbreaking technology. So in this video, we are just going to celebrate the incredible achievement, and we are going to dissect how they got here and the key drivers behind this staggering growth, and more importantly, we are going to peer into the crystal ball to ask, so what is next for this tech giant, and where does Apple go from here, and can they sustain this meteoric rise? Stay tuned, because this is the story you won't want to miss, right? So going forward, in the truly appreciated 4 trillion, we need to quick look back. Apple, most valuable company, has been nothing short of extraordinary. From its humble beginning in the garage, revitalized by Steve Jobs in the late 90s, to the revolutionary launch of the iPod, then the iPhone in 2007. Each step has laid the groundwork for the unparalleled success. So iPhone, of course, was the game changer. It didn't just create a product category, it redefines mobile computing and became the central hub of our digital lives. And under Tim Cook's leadership, Apple hasn't just maintained the momentum, they have expanded it exponentially, too much higher in their grades. Now, hitting 1 trillion in 2018 was a landmark. Then the pandemic fueled the tech boom, that, and pushed them to 2 trillion in 2020. The 3 trillion mark was crossed in the early 2022. And now, just a little over 2 years later, they have added another $1 trillion to their valuation. This isn't just organic growth. It is a testament to strategic execution and an ecosystem designed to sticky customer loyalty. And so short answer primarily is the iPhone. Well, Apple is a diversified company. The iPhone actually remained its beating heart and its biggest revenue driver. The latest model launched just few months ago have been absolute phenomenon. The industry analyst and the Apple's own quarterly report actually confirm it. The demand for the new iPhone has been incredibly robust, exceeding even the optimistic expectations. Now, customers flocked into upgrade and drawn by innovations in camera technology, in chip performance, and features like satellite connectivity and improved battery life. So this isn't just about selling more phones, it is about selling higher end models, particularly the Pro and the Pro Max versions, which commands premium price and further profit margins. So every premium iPhone sold contribute significantly more to the bottom line than the previous generation, the acting as a powerful accelerate to Apple's valuation. So beauty of the service is the recurring revenue. And once you are subscribed to Apple Music, then iCloud storage or Apple TV, that is actually monthly or annual income streams for Apple. Then regardless to whether you upgrade your iPhone this year, so that is also one part of valuation. With billions of active device worldwide, Apple has enormous installed base RIP for these subscriptions. We are talking about Apple Store, which takes a cut of every application sales and in-application purchase. So we are talking about Apple Music. We are also talking about competing with the Spotify, Apple TV, investing millions in original content to rival Netflix. Apple Pay transforming how we intersect. And of course, the iCloud a necessity for the most Apple user. This diversifications into high margin service act as a powerful insulator against potential dips in hardware sales. It provides stability, predictability, and highly attractive growth narratives for investors. They aren't just selling you device, they are actually integrating you into an entire lifestyle ecosystem. This stickiness and combined with the robust iPhone sale is the dual engine that propelled Apple to 4 trillion. Right. So beyond sale number and service subscriptions, the significant factor in Apple's 4 trillion valuation is simply investors' confidence and its unparalleled global brand strength. It is often volatile market. In this often volatile market, Apple is seen as a sales haven. It consistently actually drives the strong financial results, manage supply chain effectively, and has a track record of innovation. Investor trust Apple, and that trust translates directly into the stock price. When the broader market faces uncertainty, many look to Apple in a stable, reliable investment. So then there is brand. Apple isn't just a tech company, it is cultural phenomena. And its products are a status symbol and tools of creativity and of course extension of personal kind of personal loyalties also. So this deep emotional connection and translate into incredible brand loyalty. People don't just use Apple products, they love them. And this loyalty allows Apple to command premium price and maintain strong demands. And even in challenging economic times, that provides a powerful moat against the competitors. So very few companies on earth enjoys this kind of global recognition, respect, and a loyal customer base. So this combination of financial strength and strategic execution and emotional brand connection creates a self-reinforcing cycle that has culminated into 4 trillion milestone. So this with this incredible achievement under their belt, the burning question isn't how they got here and what from here where they will go, and can Apple continue this unprecedented growth trajectory, and what new frontiers will they conquer. So reaching 4 trillion is phenomenal feat, and we also mean that sheer scales of further growth needs to be astronomical. Adding another trillion dollar with the required revenue stream equivalent to entire future Fortune 500 company. This isn't just about refining existing products. It is about actually inventing entire new categories and significant expanding into adjacent one. The artificial intelligence, which is in now in many of the IT companies, is perhaps the most critical long-term play. While the Apple has always integrated AI into products like Siri, we have photographies and face IDs and etc. The generative AI boom is forcing them to accelerate their effort. Expect a significant push in the integrating more advanced AI capabilities across all their devices and services, enhancing users' experience, potentially creating new AI-powered features. So this is critical for staying competitive with Google, Microsoft, and of course, OpenAI. So next, health and wellness, which is continue to be a major focus, and this Apple Watch is already powerful tool, and they are for health monitoring, for tracking their heart rate, blood oxygen, and even performing ECG. So further iterations could actually even more advanced sensors, providing more integrated with medical systems, more, and that will be more directly. So this market has enormous potential, and as a population age and health consciousness grow, so that is one thing which has to be focused in Apple. And then there is an enduring legend, the Apple car. While details remain shrouded in secrecy and rumor fluctuate widely, the idea of Apple entering the automotive space continues to be capturing headlines. And Apple car wouldn't just be an electric vehicle; it would be likely to be enormous, fully integrated computing platform on wheels, leveraging Apple's expertise in software, AI, and user experience. This would be monumental in undertaking. What if successful, it could unlock market many times larger than the current smartphone market. However, the challenges are immense, and from manufacturing complexities to the regulatory hurdles. So these are just few of the massive bets Apple is making. Each one represent a potential multi-billion-dollar opportunity. It also significant risk and investment. So regulatory scrutiny is a constant threat, particularly regarding its Apple Store policies and potential antitrust concerns. So government worldwide are increasingly looking to curb the power of tech giants. Intense competition from Android manufacturers and other streaming services. AI innovators demand constant innovation, supply chain complexities in a globalized world, and remain persistent hurdle. So furthermore, the very nature of groundbreaking innovation means that not every product will be a runway success. This iPod was hit, but other products like HomePod have been more mixed results. The expectations of Apple are incredibly high, and any misstep could impact actually investors' sentiments. So road ahead for Apple will be definitely is kind innovating, and it has to go beyond iPhone to successfully establish the new product category like Vision Pro, or to master the generative AI revolution and the navigate an increasing complex global political and economic landscape. And definitely it's a challenge. And Apple hitting 4 trillion isn't just a financial milestone. It is a testament to enduring power of innovation, brand loyalty, and strategic vision. From the Mac to iPod, iPhone, Apple Watch, and now the Vision Pro, Apple has consistently pushed beyond the boundaries of the technology and shaped how we live, we work, and we connect. So whether we reach or whether Apple reach 5 trillion or 6 trillion or even higher, one thing is certain: Apple will continue to be dominant force in the global economy and fascinating companies to watch. Their story is masterclass in building an empire on a bedrock of users' experience and a relentless pursuit of what next. So, what do you think about this step for Apple? Do you really believe they can sustain the growth? And let us know your comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech analysis, and hit the notification bell. You can so that you don't miss your next upload. So, thanks for watching. We will see you again in the next one.